headed to go have a little, what would I call it? Run a few errands, do a little things, go hop around to a few stores. I've actually had a very productive day today. I did a lot of cleaning around the house. Got some clothes washed up and folded. Ooh, that sun. Got some clothes cleaned up. I even got a chance to clean my bathroom rugs and got Mac's bed cleaned up. For the week, I feel very productive today. So I told myself, because I have been wanting something sweet, and my favorite coaster place has one of my favorite flavors this week. They change their flavors up every week, and they have almond joy custard. So I said, once I did all my business, my housework, and handle things that I needed to handle, that I wanted to treat myself today. I was just popping in to chit-chat it up with y'all on my drive over. Hope that y'all are having a really good day, good week, whenever this video finds you. I pray that you're having an amazing day, and if you're not, I will be praying that things get better for you. Okay? Praying and believing that things will get better for you. I oftentimes really every week, every month, the start of a new season, I like to kind of do like a reset. Reset meaning mental reset. A reset meaning planning out things, or evaluating things, setting new goals for either that week, that month that I have going on. And especially with it being the 6th month in 2023, it's like, whoa, this time has flew by. And yeah, we about to be in the second half of the year. That happened quick. That escalated quickly. So definitely doing some evaluations and looking at things, looking at some things that I had set to accomplish by this month, and just kind of reevaluating. And I feel like everybody should do that. At least I do, because it gives you, a gauge or goal, or I don't know. I'm a goal or vision oriented type person, so I like to have a plan. And if I don't have a plan, it's kind of like you're just all over the place. So that's what I've been doing today. I really do that on Mondays for sure. Mondays is like my reset day. I know a lot of people reset on like Sunday, but mine is Monday. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. That has been my thing this week. So, just kind of getting yourself pumped up, getting ready for the second half of the year. Because a lot of times things happen, things go on, and it kind of shift or shake things up a little bit. So, even some of the strongest people have to make shifts and make changes in your life when things happen. So, because I have to say, when I look at my list of things or goals, I may not have achieved everything that I wanted to do, but all I can do is make some adjustments, replan, refocus, and keep going with what my vision is. I'm not gonna beat myself up, because that is so easy to do. To beat yourself up, tear yourself down about things you did not achieve. And I know, me personally, I'm probably my worst critic. I am hard on myself when it comes to things that I want to achieve. So give yourself some grace, girl. Give yourself some grace. That's what I'm doing. I can say I am excited about, I hadn't talked about it in a minute, like my health journey. I've been being intentional about doing different things, trying to, you know, get my numbers and all that to be where it needs to be. And I have been doing great with that. I'm super excited with how that's going. I actually have I give myself a goal every so many weeks, and I've been doing really good, so that's good, which is why I'm going to give myself this treat today, and I'm going to love it. You hear me? Every calorie, I'm going to enjoy it. But so that's been a plus. I've been doing good with that, and all I've been doing is just making moderate changes to things that I eat. You know, being mindful of what I eat, those type of things. Like today, I've drunk a whole lot of water. I've had a really big salad. I had like a late breakfast, like a lunch, and I had a really big salad and packed with a lot of veggies, and that was really good. So, you know, just doing things. Listen to your body. You know what your body needs, and just listen to your body. So I've become way more in tune with my body and what it needs and what it's telling me at the time. I have also been taking supplements. I have been really on my supplement game. That's probably been since the pandemic. Ever since the pandemic, I have taken more supplements and vitamins, I feel like, that I've taken in my whole lifetime. So I've been on my supplement game still. And even if I miss a day, I don't let that be a repeated cycle. What I do is I just pick back up if I miss a day and keep going. So I don't let that, you know, get me off track. And I used to do that. I used to be the type of person where, oh, I may eat bad for one day and I'd be like, okay, it's over with. I might as well just throw my whole little regimen away. No. Have your bad day and keep going. Pick back up, try again the next day. So that's been going well with me. Excited about that. If you're interested in the vitamins that I take, let me know. And I have to either show y'all or, you know, link it for you. Nothing crazy, nothing outrageous. I'm probably taking the same thing a lot of you all are taking. Just your regular things. But anyway, just wanted to have that little talk with y'all. I'm going to pick back up and jam to my music, because it's been really keeping me going. Lately, I have been on this, I listen to all type of music, but I have intentionally put myself on a gospel music. I wouldn't say it's a fast, but I've just been, you know, trying to, what's the word? I guess be more intentional about what I listen to this month. So I guess that would be like a fast. So I've been listening to just different worship music, different gospel artists and things like that. And so I've been jamming out on this ride before I picked y'all up. So I'm gonna pick back up on that, and I'll pick y'all back up later. I don't know if I'll vlog for the rest of the day or what. If not, I'll see y'all later, of course, in another one. Okay, love y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. water so I can give Max his pup cup. I'll be back. I got you a treat. Wait. Look. He got his eyes booked so big. Lord Jesus. Help, Lord. Okay, y'all. While Max enjoy his pup cup. That was so hilarious. Okay, so I follow Tiff, okay, from Tiff Family Vibes. Y'all, Tiffany swears by this black tea lemonade drink, okay? I've been nervous to get it because she puts so much classic in it. And I'm a fan. I love sugar, but I've been trying to cut back on my sweets. So I'm like, man, I ain't gonna get that. It's too sweet, right? So I went to the drive-thru and ordered a large black tea lemonade with 24 pumps of classic, right? The guy was like, you said 24? I said, yes, 24. He said, would you like 24 full pumps or half pumps? And I'm like, man, I don't know. Tiffany didn't say full or half. She just said 24 pumps of classic. So I was like, F it. 4 pumps. So I said 24. You quit. Y'all, hold on. Let me get him cleaned up. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I'm back. So the person was like, full or half, and I said 24 full pumps, right? So I get to the window. I could tell they was like, what the heck? So I get to the window, and the manager came to the window and was like, so just so I make sure I understand, you know, our 24 pumps comes right here. Let me show you. He was like, our 24 pumps comes right here in the cup. 12 comes about right here. So I just, you know, just want to let you know. And I was like, okay, that's fine. Yeah, I meant 24 full pumps. So he make it, and before I leave, he was like, I just want you to taste it. Taste it and make sure, you know, it's good, it's right for you. If not, I'll remake it. I'm like, Lord, I got these people nervous down to the books. It was so hilarious. So in my head, I ain't tell them, so I had to be confident. I had to act like I order this all the time. Meanwhile, it's my first time, okay? So I tasted, it was good. I was like, oh yeah, it's perfect, thanks, you know. I'm like, oh my God, I don't know how it's supposed to taste. It's sweet. But anyway, I just told him that because I'm like, let's just give me the 24 full pumps and let's go. He was like, I gave you an upgrade to a Trinity. And I'm like, you know what? I was supposed to order that anyway. So anyway, that was a whole fiasco. That was hilarious. Okay. Tiffany, see, the people, they don't know me. Okay, this is my first time. I know, baby, your people, your crew in Florida, you don't even have to order. They already got your order ready. So look, I got it. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna rate it. How about that? I'm gonna give it my Keith Lee. So let's see. Okay, it's good. It's surprisingly not too sweet. I just knew it was gonna be too sweet. Okay, Tiff, you ain't steer me wrong, girl. Okay, you might have started some. I'm gonna have to so come give me a black tea lemonade. I'm definitely gonna have to let Mr. Allen try it because he is a tea fanatic. So I'm gonna let him try it, and we'll see what he thinks. But y'all, that was a hilarious story. Anyway, Max ought to be happy. I'm about to take him to the pet store and get him a toy. And then I'm going to take him, if it don't rain, on a little walk. But that's why I wanted to get this tea, so I have me a little refresher while I'm out here in this heat. So that was so funny. Anyway, I'll pick y'all back up later, okay? As you can see, the sky is dark. It is about to rain. I'm certain. The dilemma when you want to let your dog go to the dog park and play. I think I'm still gonna let him go play for a little bit, since I promised him some playtime at the park. I don't want to disappoint. So I'm just not going to go far because these clouds are looking really sketchy. Really sketchy. So we're going to pull up and have a little playtime. A little playtime before the rain comes. But anyway, before I cut this camera back on, I was just having a conversation with Max. Yes, I talked to my dog. Because he understands, okay? He understands. You're not going to tell me he don't understand. So, I asked him, come on, son. Okay. Okay. Look, though. Yeah, I'm talking about you. So, I asked him, I said, if y'all can hear him over here crying, can you hear him? I said, what's the problem? What are you stressed out about? Why are you acting like your life is so stressful right now? Why are you so anxious? That's what I asked him. I said, what? Baby, you living a great life. What's going on? We headed to the park to play. You just had a pup cup. You had you a treat. We going outside. I mean, you ain't got no responsibilities. I feed you. I bathe you. I wipe your butt. You got all the toys you need. All the food you need. What is it? You get massages every day. You get belly rubs and back rubs daily, multiple times. I don't even get that. Like, why are you so stressed out? Make it make sense. Let me bring him up so y'all can see him. Make it make sense. Hey, what's the problem? See what I'm saying? He's so stressed. You see people, that's what it is. So, which is why I've been getting him out more, because I'm trying to help his anxiety of being out and about, being around people, and being around other animals. So let me stop wasting time. I just had to tell y'all, like, the pup is living a great life, okay? But I'm gonna go so I can let him go out here and play, wear himself out before it starts raining, okay? On top of, I can give me some exercise at the same time, okay? So anyway, let me go. I'll holler at y'all later. So it started raining on us, y'all. But we were out for about 25 minutes, so we got a little time in, a little walk in. So back to the house. So little monster can get him a bath, and I can too. Oh, she about to get caught in the rain. This lady working out. But what did I do? Oh, I didn't even crank the car by the way. So it was a good walking, play day, exercise day for us. So I'm gonna head back to the house so I can bathe him, and then I can shower and relax for the rest of the evening. Oh, that bird just flying off. Yeah, anyway. All right, y'all, let's just check it back in. Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day. And have an amazing rest of your week. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. And you walked past me, and you saw me smile. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever?